folks might know that CodeBeam Americas is coming up in March, and really, I kind of feel like it's a Beam Radio takeover of CodeBeam because pretty much almost everyone on this call, or many of us, are involved in some way or another. So there's going to be a Q&A event where I am going to pick Bruce's brain a little bit about LiveView and vice versa. We have some excellent talks from our very own Alex Koutmos, who's going to be talking about observability and a project that he's been working to get out in recent weeks and months. And we're going to have a talk from our very own Steven on the Ruby actor model and what it's learned from the Beam. So Steven, maybe you'll want to sync up with Josh, who it sounds like has a history of showing up at conferences to talk about other languages. And
he's the PHP guy now, so I can take the,
yeah.
Is that what I'm getting from this? He's the PHP guy now. I can do the takeover of conferences.
You get Visual Basic.
Perfect. That seems fair. And I think, what's the last thing coming up at CodeBeam that we're involved in? A workshop from Steven and me on Greenfield Elixir using RabbitMQ, how to pare down your monolith with some pretty fun event-driven techniques that let you bring in brand new Elixir apps to your ecosystem. So we hope that our listeners will check out some of that stuff. We hope to see everyone there. And thank you all for listening. Catch you next time.